How to see locked Facebook profile post. Hello everybody, welcome back. So in order to do that, you need to head over to a profile which is locked. First of all, you can go ahead and tap on it. Let's say this is a profile you would like to look for. So if that person has locked their profile, the only way in order to look for this post is once you view their profile, you should be finding an add friend option on the screen. All you gotta do is tap on that add friend option, and once you have added that person in your Facebook, they should respond to your request, and after they respond to your request, you can go ahead and tap on the profile to view of their profile. And in their profile, you can go ahead and scroll down to look for the post they have made in Facebook. So that's it for now. That is only the way if you want to see someone's locked profile on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.